Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. I just finished school. It's now holiday for 1 week, and I'm going skiing tomorrow. I'm waking up at 4 in the morning, so yeah, I'll see you there. It's 4:15. Alright, we just landed in Geneva airport. We're about to go on a 3-hour journey to Val d'Isere. Yo! It's crazy. Guys, we're up on the mountain right now. It's so misty and it's a 4 out of 5 avalanche warning, which is crazy, so it's pretty dangerous. So we have to be really careful. Guys, look how foggy it is right now. It's crazy how foggy it is right now, but we're about to go to our first slope. Let's go. Can't even see much. That's because it's so cloudy, but it's so dangerous because there's so much images. I'm gonna go fast. I went 74.8 kilometers an hour. It's actually crazy. It is hard, so that's crazy. Oh, I barely see anything. Yo, that was crazy because like we checked the weather like a couple days ago and it said Monday's gonna be crazy, and then we went up the mountain and it was a full-on snowstorm, and then we couldn't ski. We literally couldn't even see a few meters ahead of us, but we went straight back down and then we did some mini slopes. It was crazy, and yeah, I was in a snowstorm for a bit, and it was actually crazy because I couldn't, sometimes like my skis were blowing away a bit. It was crazy. The snow is so much thicker because of the snowstorm. It's something like 50 centimeters of snow, like thick, which is absolutely crazy. And it's still snowing. It's been snowing for 24 hours. And it's absolutely crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and peace.